Yeah, so what's up, everyone? Yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna post this, probably on TikTok or something. Yeah, it's like 1 in the morning right now. I couldn't sleep, but, I don't know, I just wanted to quickly rant about something that, like, I'm, like, slightly tipsy. I had, like, a shot of whiskey and a half or something at some event I went to, but, yeah, it's besides the point. This might be like 5 or 6 minute video depending. I might edit this up a little bit. I'm hoping like I don't get caught up here. Technically I'm not really supposed to be up here, but yeah, basically, yeah, just like I wanted to find somewhere to like record, and yeah, I just wanted to rant really. Yeah, I don't think anyone can hear me. I hope not, but yeah, I just wanted to rant really. Yeah, I've just been thinking about right now, like, I guess, like, relationships, and, yeah, I don't know, like, right now I'm thinking, like, what am I gonna be doing as far as, like, when I'm, like, or, I know, I'm 23 right now. Yeah, I'm thinking, like, oh, what am I gonna be doing when I'm, like, over 35, or when I'm, like, 40 years old and above, like, I don't know, like, it's, like, it's hitting me more and more as the days go by, that, I don't know, that I'm getting older basically, and that, like, I'm not getting any younger. And I had this girl that I was with, and like occasionally, like, I miss her less, but every now and then I still miss her, I guess. And yeah, I don't know, I was envisioning myself like being a dad with her basically. Or like, I don't know if she envisioned the same thing with us, but I envisioned us having like kids eventually, or like maybe at least having one kid. That way, at least, when I'm like my 30s or whatever, or even 30s and above, like, I would imagine myself, like, my time being occupied with the kid, seeing that kid grow up and, like, raising it how I want, like, just being a dad, basically. But right now, I don't know if we're gonna talk as far as right now. It's been, like, about almost 2 months since we haven't talked. But, yeah, we haven't talked, and I don't know if we will ever again. And, yeah, it's just like it kind of sucks because it's like, well, right now that I don't have a girl, or I don't have like the girl that I was with. I've known her for almost 10 years. Like, I don't know if I'll ever meet the quote unquote one. And, yeah, like, I don't know. I'm like afraid that, um, it cut off. But yeah, basically, as I was saying, like, yeah, I don't know if I'll ever meet the one. Like, I don't know. Like, I thought she was the one, and like, I don't know if I'll ever meet the one when I'm like 30 years old and above. And even if I don't ever meet the one when I'm like 30 years old and plus, or even 40 and above, like, I'm just thinking, like, well, what am I gonna be spending my time doing? Like, besides, like, because I'm into music. I mean, I probably do music on the side and work out, but besides that, like, what would I be doing with my time? Like, I don't know. I'm just like right now, like, I couldn't sleep. I was thinking in my head, like, what would my dad be doing right now if he never got off my mom and he never had kids? My dad's like 50 or 51 or something, like early 50s, or like 49 or something. I was thinking to myself, like, what would he be doing if, like, with his life right now, if he never met my mom, if he never had kids, like, yeah, if he never met my mom, or like I said, had kids, what would he be doing as of right now? And then I'm thinking to my dad, just because, like, I'm a guy. If I were female, I'd probably be thinking that to my mom, like, what would my mom be doing? But I'm thinking, like, more to my dad, like, oh, what would my dad be doing with his life right now in this year, 2025? Like, if he never met my mom, if he didn't have kids, that's the type of thing I'm thinking right now. With my life, I'm like, well, what am I gonna be doing, like, 20 years down the road if I don't ever have a kid? Like, no, besides maybe traveling, like, I don't know, maybe see myself traveling a little bit here and there, but, like, I don't know, I'm just thinking, like, what would I be filling my time with, like, that would genuinely make me happy when I'm, like, well, like, 35 or 40 or older or whatever. Like, I'm not getting any younger. It's like, every day that's passing, you know, we're only getting older. um yeah, I don't know, it sucks that like I'm thinking like stuff like this the more that I get older, but yeah, um I think that's all mostly that I wanted to like talk about, really. I might get off this building right about now, but yeah, hopefully you guys resonated with something like this. I might post this on YouTube too. I'm not entirely too sure, but yeah, I don't know. I hope you guys have a good day or night. This might have sounded depressing a little bit. I don't know, but yeah. I hope you guys have a good day or night, and yeah, bye.